here's our collection. This is my daughter helpers. She found a lot of shell type fossils. She likes to collect the big ones. A couple cool rocks and just some shells. And we were laying them all out to make sure they could dry. And here's my collection. I got a snail shell. Lots of pretty rocks. The little swirly ones are a gastropod fossil. And the little flat rectangle shaped ones are a crusher for a stingray for their mouth, I think. And then, of course, lots of shark teeth. I found a lot. Mostly tiny ones. But it's like a treasure hunt. I love a good treasure hunt. You can see, oh, there's one of the big shark teeth that I found. Just laying them all out to dry. And look at what I actually got. Because we just put it in the bucket when we find it on the beach. I like getting the colorful rocks in there too. It makes it more fun than just picking out the shark teeth and fossils. So here I'm gonna build up my little display tray. It's just a Melissa and Doug wooden tray from an old toy and a pack of the wooden Jenga blocks from Dollar Tree. And I just kind of arranged them, decided how I want them, and then I'm just hot gluing them in. Just to make some little compartments in the tray. Separate some of the things that I found. I could have cut them and made it go all the way across, but that would be extra. I just started gluing my shark teeth in there so that way I could set this tray up or hang it. Just a little bead of hot glue just holds them right there. Just start filling them in all the way down the tray. Hope you guys like this. It's an easy way to display any nature collection that you want to find and look back and remember. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.